In this video, I'll show you how to instantly boost your confidence and build a solid, long-lasting self-belief. These methods are super simple and easy to apply, so stick around till the end to make sure you don't miss any important tips. The instant method. The instant way to become confident is by changing your body language, like your posture, facial expression, gesture, and breathing pattern. When you use a confident body language, you will immediately feel a boost in your confidence. Think about someone who is really confident. Look at their posture, how they stand, how they walk, how they talk, what their facial expressions look like. If you want instant confidence, all you need to do is copy their body language. This is because our mind and body are interconnected, so it is almost impossible to use a confident body language and feel depressed at the same time. While this method is really effective, without a solid foundation, your confidence may not last very long and be easily shaken. Solid self-confidence. People usually base their self-confidence on external stuffs, like being pretty, having expensive stuff, good jobs, or some achievements. The problem with this is that their confidence goes up and down with their situation. They're super confident when things are great, but they get insecure when things get tough. That is not a solid self-confidence. Your self-confidence is solid when it remains steady no matter the situation. Think about this. Some people can confidently say, "I was wrong," or "I'm currently unemployed," while others try to hide those facts. They can speak bluntly because they respect themselves instead of feeling ashamed, regardless of their situation. That is what solid self-confidence means. External versus internal source of confidence. Solid self-confidence comes from your own positive views about yourself. That's why you have to change the way you evaluate yourself. You may want to focus on internal aspects where you have complete control, like your efforts and integrity, rather than external factors like results or wealth. Because no matter how good you are, there will always be factors beyond your control. The 3 core beliefs. These are the 3 core beliefs you need to have if you want to build solid self-confidence. Belief number 1, you already have the potential. If you want to achieve something bigger than yourself, you've got to believe there's untapped potential inside you, waiting to be unleashed. It might feel like you're fooling yourself, but the truth is, most people have hidden talents that only self-confidence can unlock. You've got to take a leap of faith and trust in your potential, no matter what others say or what your past looks like. Because if you believe that you cannot do something, you won't even bother trying. And even if the situation forces you, you probably won't give it your all. Unlike goal-setting process, when building confidence in your potential, you don't want to use specific goals and timeframes, especially unrealistic ones. Don't say, "I can learn to play piano in 3 days." Instead, say something general like, "I'm smart enough and I can learn a lot of stuff." The idea is to make it nearly impossible to disprove your belief. Otherwise, your confidence can shatter easily. Belief number 2, doer is winner. Doing your best is a total win. Either you nail it and come out on top, or you learn something valuable you'd never get if you didn't try. And seriously, be proud of yourself for that. You could be scrolling through endless social media feeds or spending a lot of time on video games, but instead, you're choosing to tackle the hard stuff head on. That's truly commendable. Belief number 3, everybody is different and entitled of their own opinion. Stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone's lived a different life. They have different upbringings, different resources, different problems, and different opportunities. Learning from others' successes is great, but comparing yourself with others is pointless. Also, people have the right to say whatever they want about you, but how you filter their words is up to you. Accept useful feedback, like constructive criticism or advice for improvement. But when it comes to destructive comments such as "you're stupid" or "you're useless," treat them as garbage and don't take them personally. Remember, your mental health is your responsibility, not theirs. Self-delusion warning. The beliefs we talked about might sound like self-delusion, and yeah, they kind of are. But a bit of self-delusion is part of rock-solid confidence. As long as we keep learning and pushing ourselves, that little boost of self-delusion can be just what we need. Shift your focus. Focusing on things you cannot control is the #1 enemy of your self-confidence. Confidence comes from a sense of control over the situation, and the only way to achieve that is by focusing on things you can control. You need to practice. Simply knowing the information will not increase your self-confidence. You must practice it. Be aware of your body language. Sit, stand, or walk with a confident posture whether you are at home, at work, or during your commute. Also, put on a confident facial expression as much as possible. Make it your default expression. Remember, changing your body language is the fastest way to change your mental state. And to instill empowering beliefs, say these things to yourself. I am smart and have the potential to be successful. I will do my very best today because doers are winners. Everyone is different, and their opinions don't define who I am. Say these things when you first wake up in the morning and whenever your mind is idle. Not only will they empower you, but they'll also leave less room for negative self-talk. And remember, solid self-confidence comes from internal factors, not external ones. Confidence is about focusing on things you can control. These practices are very easy and only take less than 30 seconds. If you do them frequently with a genuine intention to increase your self-confidence, I can guarantee that you'll become a more confident person. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more self-improvement tips. Best of luck and see you next time.